This is the new face of war. One drone. One soldier. One tank destroyed.
Ukraine is building 7 million drones this year.
Drones are now 90% of all hits on enemy forces.
No target is safe.
How did Ukraine build the world's most advanced drone army?
In 2014, Ukrainian volunteers built the first combat drones.
Check the wiring diagram again.
In 2022, Bayraktar drones became the symbol of Ukrainian resistance.
By 2023, FPV drones were everywhere on the front line.
Ukraine began mass-producing drones at an unprecedented scale.
In 2025, Ukraine produced 3.5 million military drones.
In 2026, Ukraine will produce 7 million drones, double the previous year. Drones now account for over 90% of all hits on enemy targets. Now, let's see how these drones are made. Lightweight carbon fiber frames form the backbone of every FPV drone.
High-speed motors and propellers give the drone its agility.
The flight controller is the brain of the drone. High-resolution cameras and transmitters send real-time video to the operator. Batteries provide the power for 10 to 15 minutes of flight time. Ukraine now builds drones using 100% Ukrainian-made components. This is a Ukrainian drone factory, one drone every 3 minutes. The first worker assembles the carbon fiber frame.
The second worker mounts the motors.
The third worker fixes the wiring. Other workers install the flight controller, camera, and transmitter. Propellers are attached and balanced. Battery and power systems are installed. Final assembly and software configuration.
Every drone is inspected. Defects are caught early.
A completed drone, ready for the front line.
Drones are packaged and prepared for shipment.
Drones are transported to the front lines within days. Every unit receives the drones they need.
Operators are trained to use these drones effectively.
Now, let's see these drones in action.
Machine vision allows drones to lock onto targets automatically. Fiber optic drones can't be jammed by electronic warfare.
Thermal cameras allow drones to strike at night. kamikaze drones strike with devastating precision. Swarms of drones overwhelm enemy defenses. Ukraine counters Russian jamming with advanced electronic warfare technology. Ukraine's drones can strike hundreds of miles inside Russia.
Magura V5 naval drones can travel 800 kilometers and carry 320 kilograms of explosives.
Ukraine uses naval drone carriers for strikes in Crimea. Now, let's see these weapons in combat.
FPV drones can destroy a T-72 tank with a single hit.
Even older T-62 tanks are no match for modern drones. Artillery systems are easy targets for FPV drones. Every vehicle on the battlefield is a potential target. Ukraine's Phoenix unit destroys targets with precision.
An FPV drone chases down a Russian Mi-28 and attack helicopter.
The drone impacts the helicopter's tail polet. It's destroyed.
Drones strike Russian airfields as far as 4,000 kilometers away.
Ukrainian forces shoot down Russian Shahed drones.
Drones are now the primary air defense weapon. Magura V5 Vivun, Ukraine's naval kamikaze drone. Magura V5 has destroyed 9 Russian ships. Naval drones have struck the Kerch Bridge connecting Crimea to Russia.
Barracuda kamikaze drone strikes Russian positions.
Now, hear from the people who made this possible.
It was a challenging environment, but the team performed exceptionally. And
I've destroyed more tanks than I can count.
Ukraine's drone hunters are forging the future of war. These operators risk their lives to intercept Russian drones. Drones are now our primary weapon.
We build one drone every 3 minutes. A maintain as a every 3 minutes.
Ukraine is now one of the world's leading innovators in modern warfare.
drones have the aanmeising this and for Chanstein. Drones have changed the balance of power.
Ukraine's drone tactics are being studied by militaries worldwide.
Ordinary Ukrainians are learning to build drones.
We are setting a new standard for innovation, not just for us, but for the entire industry.
Drones have saved my life more times than I can count.
What does the future hold for drone warfare? Machine vision allows drones to lock on without human control. Swarms of AI-powered drones will overwhelm any defense. Ukraine will produce 7 million drones this year. Ukraine has approved 413 new drone systems in 2026. Ukraine is opening drone factories across Europe. Ukrainian drones are now being built in Ohio for the Pentagon.
Baykar is building a massive drone factory in Ukraine.
50,000 AI-powered Shrike drones are being delivered to Ukraine.
Ukraine is developing armed ground robots and autonomous systems.
The Droid TW-40 carries a grenade launcher on wheels. The Bulldog drone can switch between strike and relay roles. Both sides are racing to develop better electronic warfare.
Ukraine has more drones than the entire U.S. Marine Corps.
Ukraine has struck over 1 million Russian targets since the start of 2026.
The drone revolution has changed warfare forever.
Subscribe now and turn on the bell icon to never miss an upload.
Weapon War, WOUND, the future of military content.
Thank you for watching this video. This video is created using AI tools. Scripting, voice design, and animations are originally creations powered by Google AI Studio and Veo 3. No copyrighted footage is used. All videos are AI simulated for educational and informational purpose only.